Hi, good day to everyone, especially to the Department of Education Calabarzon and Department of Education Rizal. So, this is in response to the answers of the principal of San Jose Elementary School, Melchor G. Reves. Because, as I've mentioned to my first video, I already filed a ticket doon sa Presidential Hotline 8888. And may form doon na binigay sa kanya to answer those para makapag-response doon sa ticket na ginawa ko. And suddenly, ito yung mga sagot niya. And I just want to answer doon sa mga sinagot din niya. So, ang unang tanong doon ng Presidential Hotline, what is your action, comment, answers on the allegations, questions, concern, inquiry in the communication received? At ito yung sagot ni Dr. Melchor G. Reves. The accusation is false and baseless. First of all, Mr. Melchor G. Reves, how did you come up with this kind of answer? Where in fact, wala ka naman talaga ibinigay sa akin na any written communication, ni any signatures na pinirmahan ko. After we discussed this on May of 2024, sinabi ko sa'yo, tinanong ko sa'yo, ano ba ang kailangan kong gawin? After that, sagot mo sa akin, since that is an indefinite leave, kailangan mong pagbalik mo, i-comply mo lahat ng records mo kasi hindi natin alam hanggang kailan yan. Yun ang eksakto mong sinabi. Sinabi mo pa, idinagdag mo pa, kay you are referring to Jomar Eponde. Kunin mo lahat ng records doon sa previous school para may record tayo. And para ma-file, at sinabi mo, si Jomar Eponde ang magfa-file ng indefinite leave ko. Yun ang pinakamalinaw mo sinabi. Wala kang sinabi sa akin na may isasubmit ako. As in, wala. Sinabi ko lang, nag-usap tayo, what happened. Next. Question number 2. Do you have pieces of evidence or evidences to support your actions, comments, inquiry? Your answer, Mr. Melchor G. Reves. Yes. Text messages and report forward to the division office or the AWOL report. The question is, paano kayo nagkaroon ng ganitong report? Kung wala naman kayo fino-forward na text messages sa akin. Wala ring email. Kahit magkaroon tayo ng halughugan ng email at chats, wala tayong conversation. So how did you come up with this kind of report? Wala. Hindi nga ako sinasagot ni Jomar Eponde eh. So how did you come up with this kind of report? This is a falsification of documents. You are falsifying my answers. So how did you come up with this? Next. Have you informed the concerned client regarding your actions, etc.? Your answer, Dr. Melchor G. Reves. Yes, he was informed that he will tag as AWOL if he will not file sick leave formally during our last conversation. Oh my gosh. During our talk on May 2024, pinaliwanag ko na napakalinaw sa'yo. I want to file an indefinite leave because of my health issues. Sabi mo pa nga, yes, kasi nung ikaw ay nagkaroon ka rin ng sakit, nag-indefinite leave ka. You did not mention that I will be the one to provide those documents prior to my indefinite leave. Wala kang sinabi. Kasi ang sagot mo malinaw sa akin ay, as long as pagbalik ko, dapat maibigay mo sa akin mga supporting documents. Let's say, sabihin na nga natin, bakit hindi ka nagbigay ng RTW or return to work notice? Or any notices? Did you try your best to contact me? Kahit magkabaliktaran tayo ng messages or conversation, you, together with Jomar Eponde, wala. I did not sign anything kasi wala naman kayo papasign. Now, you are come out with this kind of lies na isasubmit mo sa Department of Education together with the Presidential Hotline. Wow. You are falsifying as well my information by saying na you forwarded or you tried to text me, where in fact it's a lie. You did not text me. Hindi mo nga alam ang number ko. Hindi mo nga alam ang messenger ko eh. So how was that? You did not provide me a due process, which is my right as well. Nilabag mo lahat iyon. And this time, tingnan natin kung sino nagsisinungaling sa ating dalawa.